Hello everyone. If you want to learn artificial intelligence, the basics of generative AI and large language model, along with prompts and different types of prompts, how to use them, either you are having a technical background or non-technical background, you both can learn generative AI and prompting, which you help a lot to generate uh, contents for blogs, news, as well as you can create your own video, audio with along with number of AI tools. So for that we are going to launch 3 days bootcamp where we can discuss all these things, where you can learn all the basics. Thank you.